Hi, my name is Wes Theron, and welcome to this course on how to monetize your WordPress.com site. If you want to generate revenue from your site but aren't exactly sure where to begin, you're in the right place. In this course, we will explore different ways you can earn money using WordPress.com's built-in tools. Monetization in this context means getting paid for the value you are already sharing on your website, whether that's your knowledge, your creativity, or the services you offer. It is essential to begin with realistic expectations. Earnings grow over time, and most methods are most effective when your site already has a growing and engaged audience. If you are just beginning to publish content or still building momentum, we recommend completing our Grow Your Website's audience course first so you have a strong foundation to build on. In this course, we will walk through several monetization options: accepting payments for services, digital access, or one-time offerings, publishing exclusive paid content for supporters, sending paid newsletters that deliver premium content directly to subscribers, collecting donations or tips from your community, and earning revenue through advertising using word ads. You don't need to use all of these. The goal is to help you understand what's available and to pick the method that suits your site type and long-term goals. Just a quick note before we get started, this course will focus on WordPress.com's built-in monetization tools and not setting up an e-commerce store. If your goal is to sell physical or digital products through a full online shop, you can absolutely do that on WordPress.com using the WooCommerce plugin, but that's a separate path. We are going to focus on tools designed for sites that want to earn money without managing inventory, shipping, or a traditional store setup. By the end of this course, you'll have a clear understanding of the monetization tools available on WordPress.com and the confidence to choose and implement the methods that best support your work. Let's get started.